A friendly radio station in Pagadian. The music sounds good and gets you in the mood.
Mga ka-RN, welcome to Waway Speaks. This is the first episode, ang pinakaunang live podcast dito sa Dakbayan sa Pagadian via 91.9 radyo natin FM Pagadian. Of course, inyong magala sa kanunay Waway Belen, inyong makauban sa dugay na ninyong gihulat nga inyong gi-request nga ato nga i-launch diri sa ato ang Dakbayan sa Pagadian pinakaunang nga live broadcast pinaagi sa radyo and at the same time pinaagi po sa ato ang mga social media. And of course, we are very happy today, ladies and gentlemen, tungod kay ang atong first episode, taliwala sa kabisi o kabaludyo ko nga daghan kani siyang mga kanang gihimo sa kinabuhi. We are very grateful nga kauban nato for our first episode ang ato ang Miss Universe Philippines Pagadian. We have Miss Liza Marie Gomez Suwan. Hello. Kumusta?
Great. A little bit tired because I have plenty of events going on, but yeah, I'm surviving, I guess.
Thank you so much for giving us time, no? Okay,
You're
kabalo
always
jud.
welcome.
Pero ginahan kay ko niya, actually gi-contact na ko si Lisa pero mga few minutes lang talaga nag-reply agad.
I'm so responsive.
Oo,
Yes.
thank you so much for that. And kabalo ko murag gitawagan kang Tads.
No, actually he didn't.
Okay.
Yeah.
That's nice to know. Okay, anyway, so diyan ako makita, guys, no, ang ato ang MEPH, Miss Pagadian 2024 nga nagidi ka ka-accommodating. Yes, thank you kaayo, my dear. Okay, of course, this is our first podcast for our Waway Speaks. Ano Waway Speaks? Tabian mo ko no. So muna amod lang naisip lang siguro through Kimberly and German nga ako ang mga writers nga mo niya mo ang first podcast nga title kay para sa mga tabian like me. O, so hopefully nga murag mo bear ka sa ako ang pagkatabian, my dear,
I
no?
hope so.
Ayan. Okay, so first ato salang na to sa hot seat mga ka-RN. I'm proud to have the Pagadian's most beautiful woman sa atong syudad sa Pagadian, Miss Liza. And of course, unahon na to ang pag-ila-ila nimo. Okay na ka? Are you ready
Yeah.
to reveal some of your private information? Okay na nimo?
Private information.
Pwede na po ka say no. But anyway,
Okay.
agad na sa our
Fine.
first question, Miss Liza. We would like to know you more. Labi na sa imong childhood days. We would like to know kung asa pagikan from family nimo, imong parents. We'd like to say anything. Pwede nimo ay si Miss Liza di ay diha family. Kasi syempre baka may mga relatives kayo nga ay kapamilya ko pala si Liza. So you may say anything kuan nga regarding your family. Go
Yeah,
ahead.
just anything about me.
Yes, go ahead.
Okay, hi everybody. You may know me as Miss Lisa. I am originally from Iligan City.
Okay.
I am born and raised there.
Mhm.
But then I studied here, and that's the reason why I have applied for voters here also.
Mhm.
And my family, my dad is from Siquijor.
Okay.
My mom is originally from Tucuran,
Mhm.
I believe so.
Hindi gina siya taga-Pagadian.
Yeah, but I do have a lot of relatives here.
Mhm.
It's just I don't usually stay here all the time.
Mhm.
Because I've been moving everywhere around Sambusur and Lanao del Norte because I
Mhm.
keep on competing competitions everywhere.
So dati na pala talaga. The Gomez and Suwans, sila actually may mga madungog na ko nga kaninga families also from Pagadian City.
Yeah,
Ano
I've
mga
heard
relatives,
so.
pwede ba nimo ma-istorya sa ato ang kuan sa ato ang viewers? With sa mga relatives nimo nga naa diri.
I do believe so that they are from Tiguma.
Nasa Tiguma.
Yeah,
Gomez
Tiguma.
and Suwan. Okay, so na-meet na nimo sila.
I've been
Mm.
there.
Okay. Unsa nga year pa ka naa diri sa Pagadian City?
20 and 22.
Nag-study na ka diri?
Yeah, I
asa
stayed here
nga
to
school?
study. Zamboanga del Sur National High School.
Okay, sa national, pareha pa na tayo school. Pero di lang
Yeah.
ka parehag year.
I just recently graduated this year.
Okay, that's nice. So, karon currently, asa mo ka nag-eskwela?
I'm not studying as of now
Mhm.
because I am really pursuing on studying abroad. So if
Mhm.
I'm gonna study now, it's gonna be worthless.
Mhm,
Yeah, it's
okay.
gonna be like a waste of time and a waste of money.
So momentarily busy ka
Yeah,
sa kaning
I'm
mga
busy on
activities?
events and
Tama.
careers.
That's true. Okay, most of the time makita ka na ako judging mga
Judging,
events
yes.
and other events kaya makita ka na ako.
I also do guesting and hosting.
Yeah.
And I also sing on weddings and different events.
That's good.
Yeah.
Okay, mas maayo na hibaluta kay mukanta siya. Later on, we'll have a sample. Do you like sample, guys?
Yes.
Tubag mo diha. Okay. Alright, sige. Pwede ba na ito balikan during those days? Bata pa si Miss Lisa, no? Unsa man siya mga dream ni mo? Okay? Have you had in mind nga, soon, I will be a beauty queen?
No.
Okay?
I
So-
never really thought na
Okay.
I'm gonna be a beauty queen
So
someday.
ano pa talaga yung mga kuan mo, mga former dream mo? Pag bata pa kayo, ako, I wanna be a doctor someday. How about you?
Well, when I was like 6, I dreamt to become a nurse.
Mm-hmm.
But then that
Kalayo
changed.
ra, no?
Yes, layo kayo yun. And then I started singing when I
Mhm.
was like 5 years old,
Mhm.
and I keep on competing singing competitions.
Mhm.
I never knew about all the pageant stuff. But
Mhm.
when I was like 10 years old, I
Mhm.
joined modeling. I do
ayun,
cover
so doon
magazines. Yes, and then there's like a manager that saw my potential in me.
Okay, you have a handler na.
Yes,
Time. That is why.
and that's the reason why I am introduced to the industry of pageantry.
Mhm.
And
Pero still, you're still singing sa
I am still singing.
until now.
Yes, up until now.
Okay, so later on, how you'll be
Yes.
singing with us kahit walang music. But anyway, sige, actually sa mga tao like pareha sa ako, wala man puguga dahom, nga mahimo puguga broadcaster, layo ra pug guys kung pangandoy, but like also Lisa, lahi pud yung pangandoy, but here it is, nahimo na kang beauty queen. Ayan, daghan ng crown nga ning agi sa imong nga ulo. But I'm pretty sure no, daghan pagkang mga gusto ipahibalo labi na sa tubag so, sa first nimo nga pagka-experience sa mga beauty pageants. Do you like to say something nga mga kanang unforgettable moments nimo sa pagsulod nimo sa pageant? Like mga first pageants nga imong giapilan.
Well, my very first pageant is like very amazing for me
Mhm.
because it
Saan
really
yan?
It's in Iligan City.
Doon.
It's a
Okay.
barangay pageant there.
Aha, sa
And-
barangay pa na
Yes, barangay pageant. And then that first pageant, I won.
Mhm. Agad-agad.
Agad-agad.
Agad crown agad.
Yes, the crown. Because every time I join competition,
Mm-mm.
my goal is really to win that competition.
Mhm.
So I need to work hard for that. Study.
Mostly yun sa goal, like
Trainings.
naga-compete na ka for pageant. Mostly anong goal nyo? For the prize or gusto mo lang
Well,
passion?
we really cannot deny the fact that we are up to the money.
Of course.
Right? Yes, because money is everything in
Yeah,
this
true.
generation.
Mm-mm.
But rather than that, I do believe so that through all of those platforms, I can like nurture and share my advocacies to people
Mhm.
because that's my goal.
Mhm.
It's not just to be exposed to people
Mhm.
nor gain money from it, but also to really be the voice to
Mhm.
those who are voiceless.
Mhm. Iba yung advocacy nyo, joining a pageant. Kumusta ang support sa parents mo sa pag-join mo mga pageantry?
Amazing.
Mhm.
It's really amazing.
Si mother, sa
Mhm.
stage mom ba nga mag-appeal-appeal
Yes.
ka na?
I mean, like they are from Iligan, right? They're
Mm.
staying now in Iligan,
Mm-mm.
and imagine like every time I compete around Zamboanga del Sur,
Mhm.
they visited there, like my whole family
Mhm.
in a one
Yung
van.
sa barangay.
Yeah.
Wala dyan sa iyo. Pati si father.
Yes, all of them,
Mm-mm.
even my sisters.
That's nice. Well, so inspired ka ika nga mo appeal ang mga
Yes,
pageants.
so very much.
Okay, so at the young age, daghan pa kaayo kag mga umaabot pang competitions kay gusto apilan for sure. It's more pang national level na po nang imong apilan.
I
So,
hope so too.
Oh, no, maabot yun na siya nga panahon. Anyway, atong hisgutan during the time sa MUPH, of course, pagadianons are gusto yun nila mahibaluan sa pag-join nimo sa Miss Universe Philippines. Kasi first, no, unang naitabo sa pagadian ng Miss Universe Philippines sa inyong time, 27 mo kabuo, gusto may balong tao, kumusta yung experience? Labi na sa mga hardships, inyong efforts, siguro sacrifices maybe.
Plenty of sacrifices
Mhm.
because we're gonna talk about financial stuff here.
Ayan.
Yes,
Bakit ba?
exactly.
Dili ano?
There was a budget, but it's never enough.
Okay.
It's never enough because you need to like budget for your food, your transportation. It's not just that. You also need to take care of your
Mhm.
health, your wellness.
True.
So you're gonna spend a lot of money for that. And of course, rather than that, all of these sacrifices from time
Mhm.
and career, from your studies and career, is so like hard. And some of us do work.
Tama, oo.
So time management is one of the
Pero
most
you
hardest.
represent Barangay Balangasan. It's the
Ay,
biggest barangay. Swerte kayo, nakabalangasan ka. Gaano ka supportive si Kapitan?
They really are so supportive. Because like I am really struggling in financials at that time because I'm studying at that time too. And I am a breadwinner of my family, so
True?
I am.
Talaga?
I'm 19 and
Ikaw ba
yes,
yung
I am.
eldest?
No, I'm not the eldest, but our eldest already have like 3 kids.
Ganon. So, ikaw ang nagsalo?
So, salo tanan.
Oo, takay palong breadwinner man dahil siya.
Oo.
At the young age, wala edad di mo ron?
19.
19. Diyos ko, breadwinner. Naglisod magarig buhi si Janjan sa iyang uyab. Diyos ko, ikaw pa kaya. Anyway, so, grabe. At least sa'yo ba luminga? Grabe pala struggle ni Sisa.
A lot.
Behind your smiles, daghan pala kayo mga sacrifices, no? Oo. Kumusta ang imuhang kanang camaraderie with mga co-contestants nimo sa Miss Universe?
They're really friendly. Imagine, Miss Balangasan is Miss Friendship.
Ay, actually.
Yeah. Well, they really are so
Sinodyo ka,
friendly.
dali pa ka nag-reply na ako. So, friendship.
I
Diba?
feel like the sisterhood there is amazing.
Mm-mm.
Like, if you have problems, you can talk to them. They're so open and listening to you.
Among the 27, kinsa ang pinaka-close nimo?
Pinaka-close. Miss Santo Niño.
Okay. Sino yan? Si...
Rayanne.
Okay.
Yeah, like we're so close.
Kailan
like
mo
best friend
daan?
close.
Or dito na lang?
Yeah.
Dito na lang sa inyong mga kapit. O sa may mga gihatag ng mga training sa inyo during sa MUPH?
There's passerella training. There's also characteristic build-ups
Okay.
and the proper manners on like talking to people, how to
Pati yung
sit
sa dining.
properly, and
We were there
dining.
during the dining.
Yes,
Oo.
all of those stuff.
Wala lang may gipakaon pero skillet. Joke lang po. No, we were there actually during sa inyong dining yung training. Okay,
I
what else?
wasn't there though.
Oo.
Yeah.
Okay, and then syempre usapod sa ato ang gusto mahibaluan during that time. So 27 mo kung daghan di jud kaayo mo. Wala ba experience into like bullying? Ay, you're actually black beauty. Kasagaran sa inyo basta puti, lami kina sila tawag pero ang black beauty wala ka ganyan. May mga times ganun.
Actually, no. It's amazing that my girls during the Miss Universe Philippines Pagadian, they were so friendly and accommodated. You know,
Okay.
they will respect you and love you as you are. They're gonna be like your real sisters. So there's no bullying at all. It's more on sisterhood and supportmanship. You know. So yeah, that's
So
all
wala
I
din
can
na
say.
experience ang like battling into sa pageant no? Kasi dati may mga ganyan sa mga
Yeah, like all the
pageants.
sabotage stuff.
Kanya ang mag-away ang ang ilahang mga
Handlers.
handlers.
Mm-mm.
Mas maganda ang ang manok ko, wala na.
It's
Wala
it's
ba?
never really about the candidate to the other candidate. Maybe I can say it's
Sure.
from handlers to other handlers.
Oh, yun naman.
But it's never
Buti na
the
lang
girls.
professional ang mga candidates. So,
Yeah.
wala na sila ni sakay sa sa kabayutan. But anyway, I know nga maayo ang pagka-handle binan ni Direct Tads no sa the whole team sa MUPH Pagadian kay ang production, ang final production nakita jud nimo nga ina nagkaanindot. It's all about the effort and it's all about disiplina na rin sa tanan behind sa production sa Miss Universe Pagadian. Now, we would like to have more information now naabot na sa imuhang corona sa Miss Universe. Unsay na change sa imuhang life after having that crown sa Miss Pagadian?
I mean, one thing that changed is that before I keep on competing every month to different municipalities every month. And
Every month talaga?
yeah, I'm not even kidding. Like this month,
Way pahulay
this month in Vincent Sosago, and then
Oo.
the other month is in Bayog, and then
Oo.
go to Lanao
So
again.
during the time na nag-training ka, may mga mana kay gipang apilan na po.
Yeah.
Grabe naman.
Because I need to earn money, you know.
Oo.
All
Breadwinner
this
nga.
breadwinner stuff. But yeah, that changed because now I'm not doing anything anymore.
Kayo, nakapahuway na dyan siya.
Nakapahuway na ko.
Oo. And did you
Yeah.
enjoy the big prize kay mo hanggang naangkon?
I mean, yeah, I did. I never kept them myself. I only just took maybe something from my phone, and then the rest I'm gonna give it to my mom. That's always me. Every time I win competitions, I never keep them for myself. I give them to my family because I know that I will be much more happy if they are happy.
Yo, kalami mo pa. Hayahay kay gidikanan ano niya no kay kuan kay pinangga kay sa iyang anak. But, ang ato ang mga prices o sa adto murag you have a trip to New Zealand.
Yeah, I have a trip to New Zealand.
Kailan ka alis?
October 14.
October 14. Dili bakante si Janjan, so dili ka kakuyog. Nasa trip for 2?
No, it's actually a trip for 1.
Ay, ikaw lang?
Yeah.
Hindi naman. Di dyan ka pwede makuyog. So, October. Alis ka na October. So, all expense paid yun.
All expense paid.
Ayan. Excited ka na?
So very much.
So, yeah, first time na mo mag-ambag, ano?
Yes.
Okay.
Mhm.
Si mama ba, kumusta naman na yung wala ko akong anak ko sa bayahang
She's always been supportive.
okay na sa kanunay.
She does not have any problem at all.
Mhm. Okay, so Miss Lisa, naatay daghang ipahibalo niya. Ang tanan na running sa to ang program na uban wala na ko gipahibalo, wala ko sa gi-orient. Kaya para mas may trail. Nakabalo ko English pa ka kami mahurot di po na ko English sa linya. But guys, this is the first episode, so I have to take all the fears nga ako ang kuan kay ganina pa ko buntag wala na himutan. But anyway, ang ato ang pagpasalamat once again si Cove Coffee. Ito pasalamatan to pakpakan ang ato ang mga buddies who are with us this day para sa ato ang first episode sa ato ang Waway Speaks. And of course, mubalik taon niya, asa naman akong direktor? Mubalik taon niya para sa ato ang dugang pa nga mga information. Labi na, murag mo compete na for the national level this year.
Yeah.
And then later we will have a game time. Are you ready for that?
I need to.
You have to. Yeah, kabalo ko kung kay ka ready ka at any time. So guys, babalik ta sa ato ang Waway Speaks. So lamang sa ato pipila ka mga pahinumdom. And we're back, guys, sa ato ang Waway Speaks din higapon sa 91.9 Radyo natin FM Pagadian. We would like to invite everybody labi na sa ato ang mga kabataan nga na talents in singing, no? Nga ato ang Pagadian Shining Star airing every Saturday alas 11 hangtod alauna sa hapon. And before that, on next Saturday, naapatay mga kaming mga episodes, mas mauna ang atong Waway Speaks. That would be every Saturday alas 10 sa buntag. Sleeping time pa na ko na, pero bro, bakod siya ako for Waway Speaks. Ayan, para sa ato ang mga kaigsuunan weekend, para good vibes po ta every now and then. Kay, di na tawag hisgot ang mga negativities sa community, na something, murag padulong na ang politika, murag kapoy kay maghisgot ang mga away-away. So, this is one way, no? Nga ang radyo natin FM being as one of the most friendly radio station in Pagadian City. Buuyon mo, dili. Uyo na lang. Tangtang mos trabaho. Wala. Okay, guys. So, para yun ta, Miss Lisa, okay ka na?
Yeah.
Okay, kayo sa kanunay mo. Ay mo katingala, guys, nga English pa ka kasi pangutana sa anong English man si Miss Lisa? What would you like to say?
I don't know, just really speak this way.
Naanad na lang ka?
Mm-mm.
Oo, sige, ganun tayo. Mas maayo, kay mas ready siya for the next competition. Okay. So, siguro, Miss Lisa, pwede ka makatayog updates na mo for the coming ni mga competition. You are now sa level 3 sa mga municipality, barangay, ruta ni mo tanang, murag wala na siguro yung kontra ni mo, national level. Unsa mo ang imo preparation for that?
Well, I do believe that I will be working with some teams in
Mhm.
terms of my Pasarela. I'm gonna have some trainings, and also my Q&A coach. I will be having someone with me, and that's gonna be a surprise.
Pila ka months na? Or training?
It's gonna be like a 3 to 4 months training
Ay, manay mo. Diri
here,
ra
and
gyapon.
my Q&A training will be online,
Oo.
and sometimes we see each other, and yeah, a lot more.
Mhm.
There's a lot more to do.
Okay, dili ba pressured? Like, Diyos ko, mas grabe man dahil mga beauty pageants karon. Di ba dati, ano lang, relax lang kayo. Pero karon di na pwede, no? Kailangan
Yeah.
nakatrain ka na talaga.
Exactly.
Oo. So, ang imong preparation, pero before that, kabalo ko nga naa pa kay trip pohon sa umaabot kay usa sa mga prizes nimo
Yeah.
nga ang pag-tour nimo dito sa New Zealand.
Yeah, they are sponsored from ePathway Seek Migration.
Mhm, so ready na siya mulupad. Nakapag-impake na ka?
Yeah.
Muna siya. Ang problema lang guys, kay good for one ra gyud. So in short, dili mo kauban. Okay, so Miss Lisa, I hope murag nindot po na siya kay makarelax ka daan prior ka mo salang sa daghan pa kaing trainings.
Yeah.
So muna imong gipangita karon.
The rest.
Oo, the rest. Okay, dagang nag-request ako mga backups nga pwede ba nato hisgutan ang love life ni Miss Liza? Is it okay for you?
I think I don't have a choice.
Sige, pagunta na lang. Taken, ito na, sa ba? Unsay current status sa imong heart karon agay.
Well, I am in a relationship.
Mhm. No, wala na. Nag-react na, Jude. In a relationship, okay?
I am in a relationship with someone who is really far away from here.
LDR.
Yeah,
Okay.
but it's a good thing that I'm gonna be there
Mhm.
next month.
Ayun! Mag-meet ka mo.
New
Hala,
Zealand,
Kaya
yeah.
pala, nagdoble ang excitement
Yeah.
mo. Gaya, pwede na to sa Israel. Kinsa na siya. Do not name names, but pwede naman siya.
Okay.
Somebody who, something
He is a foreigner. Anyways,
Mm-hmm.
he is from New Zealand, and
Mhm.
we just recently meet, and I actually have
nag-met na mo?
no,
Not yet.
not yet.
This is going to be the first time na
The first time
Hello,
to meet each
kilig.
other. I have
Oo.
like a week fully paid expenses
Mhm.
tour, right? And then after that, my visa is like gonna cover a whole 2 months.
Okay.
So after that 1 week paid tour, I'm gonna be staying with him
Ayun.
for the rest of the month.
Yoyo. Baka pag hindi ka makauwi, ha? Pero uwi ka. Apparently, mo ulit dyan siya.
Yes, I
Okay
need
na.
to.
Wala ba sa training? Excited na siya, di ba?
Kinsa?
Yeah. Gikilig dyan si Lisa. For sure, siyempre, first time ko niya ma-meet, no? Wala kayo nahimong boyfriend rin sa local. Wala ko, guys. Lain mo na sila pumuna-una. I mean, wala ba siya nahimong boyfriend nga Pinoy? Okay.
Okay.
at least right.
The reason why I stayed here in Pagadian City is
Mm.
because my ex-boyfriend was from here.
Okay. Ganon?
And that's the reason
Pero
why
wala,
I am.
pero wala naman nagkita. So, hungura ko nila, ha?
He's in Australia now.
Maayo, kaya wala na po.
Yeah, and the reason why I represented Balangasan, it was because
Mhm.
he was from there.
Okay. Naan na siya during the times pag-compete mo?
No.
Wala na siya.
Yeah.
Pero kabalo siya.
Yeah, he knows.
Sa'yo,
We-
bate ato.
I don't know.
Allah. Or there's something behind niya. Ako rin, kuyo rin yun. Okay. But anyway, guys, mas may magunda. Kasi syempre, ang taong na inspiration, mas ganado ang pagtrabaho. Especially sa imuha din ka ng kaagi karon nga breadwinner ka sa family. So, kailangan very strong ka. Tapos, bisan asa, wala kay permanent na ginapuyan tungod po sa imuhang kabisi. So, it's not that easy.
It really is not that easy.
Muuli ka alone, ganon.
Mm.
But do you have friends nga kanang permanente mo makuya o wala din?
If you say friends, I know a lot.
Kaila lang. Ayun.
Yeah, just someone I know.
Mm.
But I have like my one and only best friend,
Mhm.
and she's in Cagayan de Oro now.
Wala din naman dito.
Yeah,
So, layo
she's
din.
so far.
So most of the time you stay connected lang sa imong cellphone.
Yeah, just on my phone,
Mhm.
career, all of that.
Kamingaw boy. Okay, atong kuanon, ato ang sulayan nato buutan ako naban ni sa nightlife kay kaboring ba rin pag uli nimo balay ikaw lang isa tapos nagna-nightlife bud si Elisa.
Well, I will not deny the fact that I drink, but occasionally.
Okay. Mhm.
And I don't always go out
Mhm.
every night because rather than going out every night, I should rather sleep
Tama. Mag-rest na lang siya.
because I have a lot of things to do.
Mm.
So resting is one thing that I'm struggling to have.
Tama. That's good to know also kay syempre LDR ba you have to stay home so you can
Actually,
call.
he's not that strict. He's
Mhm.
so supportive. If you want to go like on a
Gusto mo
Friday
lang talaga
night, then go.
mag-behave.
Yeah, I just really want to go to sleep. That's one thing I need.
That's good. Siyempre, no, pag tayo staff times, mag-compete na ka, siyempre, kailangan ng tanan mong strength, ang tanan mong mga kahago din yung
Yeah.
malalim. So, bawion ni mo katulog pag walay trabaho.
Mm-mm.
Tama. Okay. So, siyempre, inana po ta dapat, no? Anong kita umantay pahulay? No? Ito yung Domingo, trabaho pa rin naman tayo. And anyway, Miss Lisa, we are inspired sa imong story ngayon. Inana, di ay, no? Despite sa wonderful smiles na makita, wala may kabalo, napa ba kay panahon nga, what are the things nga makapahilak sa imo ha?
What are the things na makapahilak sa ako?
Yeah. You can
Well,
cry na if you want. Dear bitaw.
I'm a very
Siyempre strong ka,
crybaby.
di ba? Strong
Yes,
ka.
I am. Let's say I'm a strong and independent woman, but I am deep inside. I'm like a crybaby.
Mm-mm. You
And
cry alone.
I cry all the time alone.
All the time
Yes.
talaga. Mas dodoble stress ni mo, ana.
No, it's not something. It's not that I'm crying because of problems. I'm crying because of loneliness. Maybe that's it.
Ayun, kabala.
Because I'm always alone all the time,
Mhm.
traveling everywhere,
Do you
trying
have any
to like.
plans to change your lifestyle? Eh, kamingaw ba yung kinabuyo? Eh, what do you have in mind? Sige nga, pwede ba na ako i-change? At the age of 19, pwede pa naman mag-change.
Yeah.
So, what are your plans ahead?
Well, my plan really is after the Miss Universe Philippines competition, I need to focus on my studies,
Ayun.
which is I'm going to
Go
be
back to
studying
school.
in New Zealand.
Ayun pala.
I will be
Mabilin na
studying
gini siya dito.
there.
Mawad na yung Miss Universe pag ganyan. So dito, you're staying for good.
Not staying for
Not
good.
yet.
Just studying. Then after that, I really want to stay here in the Philippines. I never wanted to stay abroad. So the only thing I'm gonna do there is study, earn money, and then when I'm rich, I'm gonna go back here.
Oh, grabe. Ang taas ng ang level of ganun thinking ba yun? Sa edad nga 19, mostly, sa edad nga 19, si Gino, pwede pa ng laagana, buluyagon pa na kaayo, pero sa iya nga edad, it's not that easy nga yun na ang imuhang ka nagahimtang, no, sa imong panguna-una. But I salute you for that. Yan. And I hope maka-inspire po sa uban, nga dapat pala, kailangan mag-dream. Kung gusto mo mag-dream, gawin mo. So you have to do things nga, kanang para maangko nimo ang gusto nimo sa imong kinabuhi.
Yeah.
So kung magbinuang ka karon, for sure wala kay good future.
Exactly.
Yan. And I'm looking forward, kabalo ko nga, maabot siya ng panahon, you will be rich soon. Lala ra ba jud ko ba, guys. Okay, so this time, siyempre patapos na ta sa ato ang kuan, guys. So dali ra kayong oras, but daghan pa kayong pwede pa nato nga isgutan with Miss Liza, but I would like to have your message para sa ato ang mga wannabe beauty queens like you na ay mga taga-Pagadian sa Buanga del Sur nga gusto mo sunod sa imong nga yapak. Do you have any inspirational message for them or kanang probably advice unsa ilang himuon? Kaya ko yan, although mahirap sama sa imong giingon, it's not easy pero nakuha nimo. Okay, go ahead.
To those who really want to join pageants, all I can say is that sometimes in our competitions that we joined, we're not gonna get what we expected, which is the crown, and we should never let that triumphs, that challenge, that failure that we experience be something that will stop us on reaching our goal. So the only thing I could say is that if you fail, never look at it as failure.
Yeah.
Instead, convert that failure into something that's a lesson that you can gain from it. And from that lesson, you know that the next time that you will join again, you're gonna be better. Because you know that you made a mistake. So the next time that you're gonna join again, you know what to do, you know what to change, you know what to enhance, and you're gonna be stronger and bolder every time you join again.
Yun. Grabe, ang lalim, guys. Purang tanaw na ito, nakasabot pa po ng uban. Kay balo ko, nga to ang mga na-inspire sa imo today, sa mga viewers na to today. Siyempre, dapat i-instill nila na sa ilang heart, sa ilang mind, okay?
Exactly.
It's not easy pala to be a beauty queen.
It is
Pero
not.
it's easy to be beautiful, you know, guys. Okay, so this time akong tawagon. Pwede na tawagon? Okay, si Sherman, this time we are now at the part sa atong game time. Miss Lisa, mag-ano muna tayo, medyo makaginhawa tagamay. Let me call with me si Sherman. Ayan, for our, what's name, Magic Cup. Magic Cup Sherman. Okay, Miss Lisa, basta nahibulo ka. Guys, wala na akong i-briefing si Miss Lisa what to do about this. Basta alam, pwede pa na ka inom if you want. Para maka-prepare. Okay na. Wala kayo impromptu. I studied for this and kabalo ko, ready ka anitanan nga kung agihimo. Yeah.
I studied for
Oh,
that.
yeah. Salamat kayo sa Cove for your drink. We have 4 questions. I prepared 4 questions. This is coming from Miss Universe. So this is the Miss Universe Philippines question. Later, kabalo ko asa nga year. Ako rin pahibalo ni mo siya. We have 4 na roll na paper diha. Pwede ka mapili. Kung gusto ni mo mutubag og duha, you pick 2. O gusto ka mutubag lang isa, you pick 1. So it's up to you. Kung gusto mo, kung join nyo, vote na ni mo tubag kung gusto ka.
Sige, let's see.
Okay. Ready? Kamu guys, isa gusto niyo tanan o isa o duha? Ala. Gihago gitu you guys with isa, pero game ka naman ni Isa, di ba?
Laban.
For sure, laban mga kapatid. Let's have our first question. You pick your first paper. Manguros. This is game time, guys, for our Waway Speaks with our Miss Universe Philippines Pagadian. We have question number 1. Wako kabalo og makahinumdum kanya. This is your question number 1 coming from the Miss Universe Philippines 2024 Pagadian question. Kung mahinumdum ka. Diba? Nag-research ako. I don't have a researcher, but I do it my own. A long-lost daughter has just returned home and just reconciled with her mother. Nainumdum ka?
That was my question.
Ay, yeah. Kaya ngayon. Hindi mo na akong gingon, dili ko magkuhan siya mag-orient. So again, a long-lost daughter has just returned home and just reconciled with her mother after being away for 1 decade. What do you tell the daughter she missed during those 10 years?
Well, I actually answered the question in a way that describing how important our mothers are, and we should always learn to cherish them. Cherish word is the word of the night that evening. But anyways, all I can say is that our mothers are one of the most important persons in our lives, and we should always learn to love them no matter what. And they may be away from that year, like from the 10 years,
10 years,
a decade.
it's long enough.
Yeah, it's so long. And the only thing I can say is that we should always learn to forgive somebody. That's one thing I forgot on stating
Yeah,
an answer.
that's
for
one
that.
thing ang crown na sa iya ha. Mo
Yeah.
gina siyang question.
We should always learn to forgive.
Yun.
We may not forget, but we should always learn to forgive, because if God can forgive, why can't us?
Yeah, true.
And no matter what our mother did in order for us to be like away for that decade, all I can say is that your mother's gonna be always your mother.
True.
And you don't have a choice but to accept that fact.
True. That's dedicated to Carlos Yulo. Yeah.
Yeah.
Para sa iyang mama. Okay. I-rewind mo ha. I-rewind natin. I don't know. Try na ako kung ma-compare na ako. Kasi it's the same answer niya akong nadungog during the time na nag-research ko. Talagang kuha-kuha. So, a round of applause for our first question, guys. Ayan, salamat, Miss Lisa. Let's have your second question this time.
Ay, hello.
Ayan. Eto na. Gusto nila lahat eh. Diba? Okay, walay kulba-kulba din. Let's have question number 4. This is coming from Miss Universe 2021. Ayan. Nakakuan mo na, ka-research mo na, wala no? Dapat
ako, wala
mag-research
kabalo.
kayo. Ito, simple question, pero kabalo ko, dali ra kayo ni mo nito bagon. What is most important to you? A successful career or a happy family?
For me, it's gonna be a happy family.
Okay.
Yes, because I know that if you are surrounded with a family that loves you so much and that makes you happy, together you can work hard and have that success in your life. Because you may be successful one day, but if you're
True.
not surrounded with a happy family that you have dreamt to be, that career can always not last long.
True.
But your family's gonna be there for you no matter what.
True, yeah. Ganun lang yan eh. If you don't feel the happiness, it's not success anymore.
Exactly.
Tama, yun lang yun. Okay, let's have our question number 3. Dali ara kaayo sa oras,
Ano
guys.
di ay?
Hindi na ko na siya dugayon. Ako gi-research pa ko dagdagan, ako na siyang gibaynti ka buok. That's our question number 2. This is taken from Miss Universe Philippines 2020. This is the question na gi-throw for Rabia Mateo. Yan. Hindi mo lalaw na siya kamalo. If you could create a new paper currency with the image of any Filipino, pwede dead, pwede din alive, who would it be and why?
Any Filipino.
Yeah. Pwede patay, pwede buhi. Isa ka yung, pwede na ito ibutang sa kwarta.
Even if it's not someone that's familiar.
Yeah, it's okay.
Okay.
We can ask you
Then-
why, nga no?
If I would be given a chance to make a currency, then I would love to put my grandmother in it.
Oh.
Yes, because she may not be known to like everybody,
Mhm.
but I know for sure that I know her from my heart.
Mhm.
She did everything to like feed her daughter
Mhm.
and also me. I am born and raised by my grandmother,
Mhm.
and I know how amazing she is.
Mhm.
And I know for sure that she may not be known to everybody, but through her story, she can always influence
Mhm.
everybody around her to
Mhm.
be just like her.
Yeah, that's
Someone who is
nice.
strong,
Mhm.
someone who is beyond God every time.
Mhm.
And she's someone that everyone should look up to
Mhm.
because she's a great mother to everybody.
Okay. In short, she's the most valuable person.
Exactly.
Okay, kung kailangan lang ibutang na to sa kwarta, pwede kayo.
If we can.
Kung kaya. But anyway, if lang naman yun. Let's have our last question for this time. And we have question number, ito yung na-excite ako dito, number 3. Na-excite ako kasi ang nag-answer ani dati is a Black Beauty also. This is coming from Miss Universe in 2019.
Mhm.
What qualities do you think do men like in women?
Submissiveness. I do
Ganon.
believe, yes, I do believe it's submissiveness,
Mhm.
you know? Because, like, men always love a woman that's submissive,
Mhm.
someone that they could always look up to, especially that men and women are literally different. We cannot say that us are the same.
Mhm.
In terms of capabilities, I know there are things men and women can do
True. Okay.
the same, like the same thing.
Mhm.
But one thing that's a woman should do in order for men to love them is just to be themselves.
Yeah, true. Tama. Kung hindi
Exactly.
ka accept, wag na. Di
Yes,
ba?
if that man can't accept you,
Mm-mm.
then don't force yourself to be with that person.
That's nice.
You should never change yourself for that man, because if you wanted to be accepted by anybody, there's no such thing as change.
Yan. Thank you very much. Palakpakan natin, ladies and gentlemen. The true beauty queen. Ganon. Ingon na, mutubag. Kapoy, paminaw, gani ka mo ka. But anyway, thank you so much, Lisa, for, grabe, game na game ka for our, short lang naman na game time para for our first podcast. Hopefully, we'll be meeting soon, pohon. Before kami mahimong rich, balikan po minimo diri, papainom po minimo diri po. Anyway, sige. Anyway, guys, salamat sud kaayo sa tanan nato nga mga view for this morning sa atong first ever episode. Thank you once again, Miss Lisa, for giving us time.
Thank you.
Ayan, do you have any words? Do you have anything to say para sa ato ang mga pagadianons having the crown for the 2024?
Well, all I can say is that, hi, okay. All I can say is that I will do my very best to represent our city on the upcoming huge stage, which is the Miss Universe Philippines 2025 competition. And I know for sure that within my perseverance and hard work with me and my team, because it's not just a one woman competition, I'm bringing my whole team with me and the whole city with me too.
Ilan kayo? Ilan kayo?
I'm
For the team?
not as a team. I am
Mhm.
not so sure, but I know that there's a lot.
Mhm.
And one thing I can say is that I hope that you'll support me for that upcoming competition that I will be in, because again, this is not a one woman journey. This is for all of us. This is the Pagadianan's battle.
Okay. Thank you once again atong palakpakan ang ato ang first guest. Thank you kayo, Miss Lisa. And
Thank
good
you.
luck for your next battle.
Thank
And we will be
you.
with you. We will be supporting with you. We have with you ang among prayers para sa imo ha,
Thank
for
you
your
so
competition.
much.
Thank you so much once again. And knowing Miss Lisa, ganon ang iyang life, and I'm pretty sure na inspiring ato ang mga viewers for this morning and sa ato ang mga kaigsuunan nga gusto po mamahimong beauty queen sunod, paningkamot mo sa iyong kaugalingon kay dili lalim ang iyang kinabuhi. And of course, for our next episode, guys, atangin ninyo. Anyway, amo lang i-teaser para sa ato ang sa episode 2 for our Huawei Speaks. Din lang sa 91.9 Radyo Natin FM Pagadian. Once again, akong pasalamatan. Cove Cafe, atong pasalamatan for venue for this day sa ato ang first episode sa Huawei Speaks. Once again, kininyong higala ang pinaka-friendly na radio station sa Pagadian City. 91.9 Radyo Natin FM Pagadian, yung higala, Huawei Belen. God bless everyone. Yes, and we're back on Huawei Speaks, the very first episode, mga ka-RN, sa ato ang first podcast live gikan sa 91.9 Radyo Natin FM Pagadian. And this time, after sa ato ang interview with Miss Universe Philippines Pagadian, Liza Marie Suwan, kauban na to this time ang ato ang mga very young entrepreneurs sa dakbayan sa Pagadian nga mao po ning cater sa Radyo Natin Pagadian sa ato ang first venue for our first podcast. Of course, atong welcome one by one atong patingol mga bata pa man ni kaayo, pero you see guys, no, tag-asa siguro kay nagpangaghap sa ilahang mga kaugalingon nganong naa sila ani world of business. Although puro pa man estudyante, right? Oh, you see. Okay, let us have Ian Noel Abelio. Ayan. Say hi sa atong mga viewers.
Hi. Hello viewers.
Yeah.
Ako din si Ayan. I'm the owner of Go. And this is my business partners.
Mhm. Okay, let them say anything. Go ahead, si Lawrence, si Carl Lawrence Canoy, tama? Ayan, okay, go ahead.
So hi guys, so I'm Lawrence. I'm one of the managers sa Cove.
Okay.
And gusto ko sa ning picture.
Okay, that's nice. And we have Alexander Xavier Perez. Maayong hapon.
Hi guys, may hapon. Ako din si Alex.
Mhm.
One of the managers dali sa Cove Coffee.
Mhm. Okay, we see murag pipila lang ka mga pareha na yung mga age nga murag venture mga businesses like this. Akong pangutana is nganong coffee shop ang iyong napili nga business?
So, ito yung
Kaniron.
So, coffee shop, ma'am, kay usa siya sa dili lisod yung market labo na sa
Mhm.
generation karon kay coffee shop is one of the essential gyud sa mga tao.
Mhm.
And every day mangita din ang tao kanang mo boost sa ilang energy. So
Okay.
one usa sa rason ay usa sa kanang makapaboost sa ilang energy sa coffee.
Mhm. Okay, kinsa ga-influence niyo to go into business? Ayan.
Actually, na may friend, na po siya coffee shop.
Okay.
Then dito, naka-idea namin nga, hindi din naman business ng coffee.
Mhm.
Then since kami po, ganun may coffee bitaw.
Mhm.
So mo to nga, passion mo, ibuat mo business.
So in short, di na mo mga pili to sa lain, dili na lang yun mo. Opo.
Mga
Pero,
influences.
magkape ko sa lain.
Ayun. Siyempre, mo try po sa lain. Okay, si Alex, kumusta po ang kanang pag-manage nimo? You're still at school, di ba? Nag-eskwela pa
Yes
ka. Kumusta ang pag-manage nimo? Nag-manage po yung business, tapos napa sa eskwelahan?
As a student po, manage a business is dali ra gyud siya since starting in
Wow,
school.
dali ra. Ano ba, confidence? Okay, so nakatabang ba sa imo ha as a student o as a young entrepreneur ang kining pag-handle og mga businesses like this?
Yes po, as sumunta sa ako ang pag-manage at time gyud og sa studies and ako'y mostly nga lisod jud sa mga ting exam
Correct.
and dapat yung business ng exam so mag-follow ka o kung sa'yo na
Pero tuluman mo, unsay sistema niyo sa pag-manage? Puli-puli lang mo, shifting.
Dili siya
Mm,
divided ang work.
that's nice. So mangunay pud mo kuan himo, unsa ba maghimo?
Oh, yes ma'am. Ano yun?
So meaning to say kamo pud mismo hands-on.
Yes, ma'am.
Pila ka mo kinyo employees diri so far?
We have
So far, we have
3, ma'am.
3. Mga unsa man ninyo mga classmate pud ninyo o mga kuan
Hindi,
lang.
ma'am, like,
Nang-apply gyud.
Nang-apply gyud sila, ma'am.
Pero na-train gyud pud sila.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So siguro ato po pahibalon sa mga tao labi na ang inyong product dire. So pwede ninyo siguro mga best sellers ninyo and at the same time pahibala asa ang ato ang exact nga location sa ato ang Cove Cafe. Go ahead.
So, welcome to sa Cove Coffee, guys. Located sa San Francisco, Cabrera Street. Dili ra siya kilid sa sa Chokes to Go at bang sa relaxation.
Mhm.
Visit niyo dire among try niyo ang best sellers ang Spanish latte, ang hazelnut, maca latte, ug ang karma.
Mga pa rin mga flavor, mga favorite po sa mga kaedad ninyo, di ba?
Yes, ma'am. Tapos nabot mo yung bang flavors na naragid pa dari.
Now, talking about the price, kumusta? Dili ra ba kayo as high sa kuan?
Dili ra siya.
Dili
Ang
siya classy
prices na mo kay kwan siya kanang budget friendly siya laban na sa mga students.
Mhm.
Kay ang prices na mo dili siya mo exceed to 130.
Mhm.
So sa price nga ingon ani, goods na kay siya para sa students. Laban na sa gusto lang catch up, mag studies.
Mhm.
Okay, target
Perfect,
customer
yeah.
gina mo is students good, students good.
Pero mag-free wifi pa mo diri, di ba?
Yes,
Mostly
yes.
magtambay sila diri. Okay, mo man pagitaon do na nila. Okay, unsa pa yung mga plans ninyo ahead? Dapat mo may plans nga sige branch out ta kay murag okay mo dai nga business.
Soon.
Soon.
Bro.
Is it
Pero-
too expensive nga maghimo gyud nani nga mga business so
Yes,
far?
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Expensive ba? Sige lang, okay rin yung mga ginikanan mo po, no?
Support us na.
Kana, that's nice. Okay. So siguro naapatay mga naapatay mga plans ahead. Usa ba yung mga courses nga inyong mga gipangkuha? Ang inyo bang mga plano sa inyong mga kaugalingon tagsa-tagsa would also be in connection sa inyo pong negosyo dire or may gusto niyo lang profession aside from having a business?
Connected din siya ani kay nami sa business course karon.
Parehas mo? Tulo?
Yes,
Kami, classmate naman din mo.
Kurat po na mo, no? Nagkinupyahan na yun, kinupyahan na yung negosyo. Okay, tinabangay. That's nice. So far, unsa pa yung mga nakita ninyo yung mga problems nga na encounter so far sa inyong kuan pag-venture ani nga negosyo?
Kuhan din mo, like inflation daw. Since supply mo,
Okay.
ang demand bitaw niya,
Mhm.
then murag mo, then big supply.
Pila ka months or years sa bagaran ng inyong negosyo?
Kuan mo actually 4 months.
4 months na.
Bago pa man day kaayo. So okay, pa so napa sa moment o gamurag di studyhan pa no. So far okay naman ang pagpadagan.
So far.
Kinahanglan so far okay na gila siya. Kaya kailang positive thinker kita kanunay. But anyway, no, guys, ang ato ang mga viewers diha labi na doon ta sa Kulumban, doon is guban nga mga establishments
Yes,
diri.
prime.
So, kuan ra kayo, very accessible sa ato ang mga customers. Dili ba gamay-gamay imong space? Do you have plans to get wider kuan place.
Yes, ma'am.
Mhm.
Yes, ma'am. Okay.
Pamino yung hot naman oh.
Motivation, ma'am.
Oo, mo nang naana mo yung expansion sa gawas.
Yes, ma'am.
Oh, okay. So guys, no, so far, dako kay pagpasalamat sa Huawei Speaks program for our first venue sa itong first episode sa atong live podcast via gihapon sa Radyo 91.9, Radyo Natin FM Pagadian. Salamat once again, Ayan, we have Lawrence and si Alexander. Salamat guys. And you have any words para sa atong mga customers? Go ahead.
Kawan guys, kanang invite mo na visit diri sa Cove.
If ganahan mo kanang tambay-tambay, pwede mo din sa Cove. Okay, cozy siya. Then pwede lamig na coffee.
And free Wi-Fi.
Yes.
And don't forget. Ayan.
Aside ana among products is affordable ra gyud guys.
Okay, that's
So,
nice
it
to
won't
know.
hurt your wallet.
Okay, once again guys, salamat kaayo no sa ato ang mga business owners sa ato pulakpang ato mga viewers din nga naglantaw karon kabalo ko nga kabalo po lag asa dapit ato ang venue. So ato ang pagpasalamat sa ato ang management. So thank you kaayo ninyo ha
Thank you.
from the bottom of our hearts from Radyo Natin FM family for accommodating us. Once again, kini inyong higala Huawei bilay daghang salamat, maayong adlaw.
A solid radio station in Pagadian. The music sounds good and gets you in the mood. Tune in to 91.9, good partner, and don't get behind. Let's all listen to radio, then. Oh, 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 oh. At the friendly radio station in Pagadian, and the music sounds good and gets you in the